How to free up space on your Android device. Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up some space on your Android device. Open up your settings and select storage. It's right there, and you'll be taken to this menu where you'll be shown all the junk files that you have collected via images, videos, etc. Select cleanup. Here you'll be displayed the total amount of memory you've taken so far, so wait for the scanning to complete. So you can see all the junk files and what you can delete and what you can't. Okay, so now that it's done, you just clean up, clean up, select what you want from here and from the others. And you can see we already cleaned up 1 GB of memory. And that's it. Clean the rest on your own. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and say hope. See you next time.